part one of our Mobile Analyst series with Craig Mathias, he discusses carrier strategies around mobile data consumption.
The challenge for the cellular carriers, I think, is to set expectations accordingly and then meet them. And I think they can do that. And I think one of the techniques that you'll see applied there is Wi-Fi offload. The ability to take your cellular connection and move it onto Wi-Fi when it's appropriate, and the carriers will do this transparently. We've been talking about it for years. We used to call it fixed mobile convergence, but it is going to happen, and it's a good solution to the problem ultimately. There are others. You can split cells, you can move on to more advanced technologies, but this is one of the most cost-effective ways for carriers. I think there's an element of bait and switch in this. It bothers me enormously that the cellular carriers have sold us on our mobile devices as being a little computer, really your life in a tiny little package. Everything you want to do. You want to watch a movie? Great. You want to watch TV? Great. You want to communicate in a variety of modes? Great. But, oh, by the way, now we're not going to be giving you enough bandwidth in order for you to do that at will. You're going to have to think about it. And then think about this. If all you do is simply look at web pages, you don't have any control over how much data actually comes down in a web page, but they're going to bill you for every single byte that goes by. And when you exceed your monthly allotment, which is 2 gigabytes or whatever it turns out to be on your plan, they're going to throttle you down. So the experience is going to be degraded significantly. I think the question is, will the carriers be able to build out enough capacity at a reasonable cost so that they can offer a reasonable price, and so that things like these arbitrary soft data caps that we're seeing now can be raised, if not lifted altogether.